Recovery points. They're important, especially if you know you will get stuck. If I learned anything from my last project, it's that I have an uncanny knack for getting stuck. So, needless to say, I need recovery points. The rear end of the truck was easy. I just needed one of these hitch D-rings. The front proved to be a little bit more difficult. Usually I would just go to a junkyard and get some tow hooks, but apparently these trucks didn't bring the tow hooks unless you had the off-road package. Because of that, it's very hard to find them online. Even on eBay, there's a few aftermarket and a few OEM ones, but they're extremely expensive. Now, please understand, I am not a professional welder. I only have a cheap stick welder that I got for Christmas, and have about maybe 5 hours worth of welding experience total. So this is a learning experience to say the least. So I found some holes to mount it on, did some measuring, made a cardboard mock-up, bought some steel and a tow hook, and got to work. First, I cleaned up the surfaces I was going to be welding on. A few tack welds because nobody likes magnets. A little chipping hammer action, then back to welding. More chipper hammer, and then the second pass through. As you can tell, my welds are pretty crappy, so they require plenty of grinding. After the welding was complete, I had to grind off some metal so the curve of the chassis will fit. Now drilling out the holes with the drill press. Here it is, painted and mounted, and now for testing. It may not be pretty, but it works. And for under $60, I don't think it matters what it looks like. As always, if you enjoy this kind of content, like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about anything I did in that video, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.